In this video, I'm going to show you how to find companies that need distributors. For this purpose, we'll use the Google Search Scraper. Find the link to this tool in the video description. As an example, we will be exporting solar companies looking for distributors in Phoenix, Arizona. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start Part 1. Google Search. The best place to find companies that need distributors is Google Search. To export hundreds of target companies from Google Search to Excel in seconds, use the Google Search Scraper. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster, create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Google Search Scraper. Click on the bot name, click on the green button to start the bot. Enter your search query in quotation marks. For example, solar distributors needed. Select how many search results you need to extract. For example, 200. Specify your location. For example, Phoenix, Arizona. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted companies to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of solar companies in Phoenix that need distributors. Find these companies' phones and emails using the phone, email, and contact scraper. Get in touch with them and offer collaboration. Part 2. Social media. To find companies that need distributors on social media, use the same tool, but change your search query. Add social media sites to your initial search query. For example, LinkedIn, X, or TikTok. Copy this query from the video description below. Select how many companies you need to extract. Specify your location. Launch the bot into action. Done! We've exported a list of solar companies in Phoenix that need distributors and have announced this on their social media. Use the extracted social media links to send your collaboration offer to these companies in a personal message. Sign up on Botster and find tons of companies that need distributors in your target branch. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.